If you are not careful about waterproofing while building your home, it will certainly cause major damage to the building. Interiors and exteriors can suffer severe damage within just a few years. Look at this image to better understand how waterproofing failure can affect your home. So, in this video, let's understand all the areas of a building where some or the other waterproofing systems are a must. Remember, it is very important to waterproof areas of a building using the right waterproofing solutions. These critical areas include terraces and balconies, kitchen and bathroom wet areas. Other important areas that need waterproofing include swimming pools and water tanks need dual side protection. Moisture penetration from the soil should be prevented, and leaks from the inside must not happen. Similarly, basement retaining walls and foundation walls, if not protected with the right waterproofing system, can suffer serious corrosion, putting the safety of the entire building at risk. Don't let your building's interiors and exteriors look horrible within just a few years. Ensure your building stays healthy for the long run. So be wise and choose quality waterproofing for your building. Don't forget, each area of a building demands a specific type of waterproofing solution. Swimming pool waterproofing requires a different product. Terrace with tiles needs different technology. Bathrooms and wet areas with under-tile waterproofing systems are different. To understand which product provides the best protection for each area, contact the waterproofing professionals at Amitek. We are a government-recognized star export house specializing in high-performance specialty coatings. Call or WhatsApp us on the numbers displayed on your screen.